Welcome back to the kitchen, where today we're about to embark on a seriously sweet adventure together. You might think air fryers are just for fries and wings, but trust me, they're a total game changer for desserts too. We're about to unlock a whole new world of treats. Imagine biting into golden, crispy sweets that are made with way less oil than traditional recipes. It's healthier, faster, and honestly so much fun to make. Today, the challenge is to whip up not one, not two, but three irresistible air fryer desserts. Think gooey brownies, fluffy donuts, and a surprise treat you won't want to miss. Get ready to be amazed. These easy, mouth-watering recipes will have you saying, "Wait, I can make that in my air fryer?" Grab your apron and let's dive right in. First up, air fryer donut holes. The ultimate quick treat for when you're craving something sweet, but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. All you need is some biscuit dough, a bowl of cinnamon sugar, and your trusty air fryer. With just these three simple ingredients, you'll have a batch of warm, sugary donut holes ready in only 5 minutes. Perfect for a last-minute dessert or a fun snack with friends. Start by cutting rounds from the biscuit dough. If you don't have a fancy cutter, a simple bottle cap works perfectly to punch out those classic donut hole centers. It's a fun step that even kids can help with, making this recipe great for family cooking. Don't throw away the centers you punch out. Those little pieces make delicious mini donut bites. Place them right in the air fryer basket alongside the larger rounds for extra treats. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange all the dough pieces in a single layer so they cook evenly, and air fry for 5 minutes, flipping them halfway through to get that perfect golden color on every side. As soon as they're done, toss the hot donut holes in cinnamon sugar while they're still warm. This helps the sugar stick and gives each bite a sweet, crunchy coating that's absolutely irresistible. And there you have it. Pillowy golden donut holes that taste just like they came from a bakery, but made right at home in minutes. Enjoy them fresh and warm for the ultimate bite-sized bliss. Next, let's make cinnamon apple chips, a healthy, addictive snack. Thinly slice your favorite apples, toss with lemon juice and cinnamon. Arrange slices in a single layer in your air fryer at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Air fry for 10-12 minutes, flipping halfway until crisp. Watch closely, they can burn fast. Let them cool for a few minutes, they'll crisp up even more. Enjoy bakery-style apple chips with zero guilt. Get ready for the grand finale, chocolate lava cakes made effortlessly in the air fryer. This show-stopping dessert is not only quick to prepare, but it's also guaranteed to impress anyone lucky enough to get a taste. Start by mixing together melted butter, sugar, eggs, a splash of vanilla, and flour until you have a silky smooth batter. Take your time to whisk thoroughly. This step ensures your cakes are rich and tender. Next, fold in plenty of chopped chocolate. This is the secret to that irresistible molten center that flows out with every bite, making each mouthful pure indulgence. Grease your ramekins well, then fill them about 2/3 full with the batter. Carefully place them in your air fryer and set it to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Let them bake for 8 to 10 minutes, just enough time for the edges to set while the center stays gooey. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick near the edge. The outside should be firm, but the middle should still be soft and molten. Remove the ramekins gently from the air fryer. Let the cakes cool for just a minute, then dust generously with powdered sugar. For the ultimate treat, add a scoop of creamy vanilla ice cream on top. Grab a spoon and dive into pure chocolate bliss. No oven required, just decadent results in minutes. 3 amazing desserts. 1 air fryer, donut holes, apple chips, and lava cakes. Which one will you try first? Comment below and let me know your favorite. Like, subscribe, and tell me what air fryer recipe I should tackle next. Happy air frying!